opinions to have sex to still occur, so before marriage and after. So based on intuition, I would stand by premarital sex.
Okay, guys, thank you. That's not English. I thought you liked it. I thought you said it. Yeah, that was that.
What do we?
Sexual and reproductive health is a human right. According to another definition, sexual health refers to avoiding sexually transmitted diseases, preventing unwanted pregnancies, contraceptive methods, and positive and uncomfortable experiences appropriate for the physiology of sexual health and out of sexual preferences.
Christians made up the idea that premarital sex is a sin against God and morally incorrect. Most scriptures that people use to forcefully claim is in fact not against premarital sex, but against seeing another man's child.
Let's just go.
Whatever.
People all over America have thought about sex, whether it be pre or post marriage. Of those, 75% of people by the age of 20 have actually had premarital sex.
In conclusion, applying ideas from Nietzsche's Beyond Good and Evil text, we can say that the noble soul is the creator of their own values, and the actions engaged in are only to be judged by themselves, and approval of these actions is not required by others. Actions are always ambiguous, always inscrutable, and so the action of premarital sex does not affect the fundamental certainty which a noble soul has about itself. Something which is not to be sought is not to be found, and perhaps is also not to be lost.
Hey guys, ready to do the audio bit? You're ready to go exclamation. Okay, so see all of that. The pros, the cons right here. I'll give you the cons to the side, all right? That we've done so many times. I know there are other points. First of all, is the Bible does say something of female sex, right? Some people say it's Christianity that did it, but Christianity is not what came up that female sex is wrong. Actually, this goes back about 30, 40 years to the time of Moses. When human nature saying no, it's true, and there's also part that say you don't have your husband's your friend's wife, whatever. That lady to the commandments is basically an introduction to all the commandments in the Old Testament that were given by Moses. He said from God through him. And in that he's going to explain what are these 10 commandments. And one of the things he'll talk about is premarital sex. He says this, that's wrong. He says basically if a young man and a woman have sex out in the field, the young man is to be put to death. Okay? Now, if the young man and the young woman are caught having sex inside the city and they're not married, the result is they're both put to death. Now, why is that only the man is put to death in the field but not the woman? The reason is, ladies and gentlemen, is that they're giving the woman the benefit of the doubt. They're claiming she may be raped, all right? Now, if she's in the field, nobody can hear her scream. On the other hand, ladies and gentlemen, if she is in the city, then they live so close to each other they can hear people screaming, and because they do not hear her scream, they know that she was not raped in sexual sex. Therefore, they're both put to death. That's found there in the laws of Moses. Christianity embraces that same sexual morality. Okay? Christianity and Judaism really did. There are revolutions in the area of sex. And basically, sex, unbridled is leading to so many problems among the individual and also in society itself. For example, in 1 Corinthians chapter 6, last part, it's going to say that basically sex, the sexual sin, is the most devastating of all sins. You lie with your mind. You have sex with your entire body, not just your mind, but also your emotions, and also your entire body is affected by that. Therefore, according to Paul in 1 Corinthians chapter 6, is the most devastating of all sins. He's not saying, oh, you're bad, we hate you. No. He wants you to lead a healthy life. Physically, also spiritually. The result is psychologically, he says abstain from it. Next it says, is you'll find out that married people can have STDs, but the rate is so low compared to those who do have premarital sex. There's no comparison. Basically, you're seeing billions of dollars each year spent in this area of combating STDs. And ladies and gentlemen, these STDs never go away. And when you have sex with somebody who has sex with STD, these things will be passed from person to person. It's incredible the amount of STDs that are being circulated among this generation. Next is this: the divorce rate is really higher, 50% higher, among those who have sex before they get engaged and married, as opposed to who wait until they get married. Now, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of times we go, well, you get married young, you get a divorce. That's right. But why get married young? Why not wait till you're older, more mature, and handle responsibilities of marriage in order to get married? So therefore, the age has nothing to do with it. It's basically talking about sex outside of marriage. The reason is, ladies and gentlemen, that marriage is based not upon love. A lot of people misunderstand what marriage is. It's not a piece of paper. Marriage existed at least for 30, 40 years before today. The government got involved years ago and started giving a piece of paper. But marriage has been on offer for 30, 40 years. The result is we see that marriage is based upon promise. It's not based upon love. So therefore, this idea of promise is coming out of the area, not of love, but of justice. And if people are just people, if they're people of honor, the result is that language, and then they will keep the promise. And the result is when you see all these people getting divorced, it just means that all these people who are getting divorced, a lot of them are liars. They have broken their promise. They have broken the promise. You lie. The result is that the actual marriage begins at engagement. Because that's when the vows are pre-given. I will love you forever, and I will love you forever. The only reason you do it in church, ladies and gentlemen, you're going, this is so important, this institution of marriage, not only to the individual, but to all people. The result is you put it before God, and you have all these witnesses who are supposed to be accountable. Today it's become nothing more than a ceremony, a big party, and a good time to celebrate. But that's not what marriage is. That's a celebration. It's not marriage, because marriage is not based on love. It's based on love that will commit. Love that's based on honor. The depression rate is higher among young people who have premarital sex than those who don't. The reason is, especially among young women, the depression rate is higher because they have found out that there is a hormone that's triggered during the sexual act in women, and is a bonding hormone. That same hormone, though, is not triggered in a young man until he's a son or daughter. And all of a sudden, family should become a lot more important. It's not true for every man and woman, but it's true for the most part. Most women have this hormone that's triggered, and they find a bonding type of relationship with that young man who basically has sex because of sexual pleasure. She feels devastated and abandoned. That leads to higher depression, also leads to higher suicide rate among people, young women who have sex before marriage as opposed to those who wait outside of marriage. Young men is even more so. The suicide rate among young men who have sex outside of marriage is 8 times higher than those who wait before marriage. It's higher among men, the rate, than among women, because whereas women many times are more emotional by nature, they'll get with friends and they'll talk and share stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, guys don't do that. And the result is they bottle it up, and we get too many young men who commit suicide as a result of having sex outside of marriage, or before marriage. Next is this. The claim is everybody does it. So, that's an ad populum argument. It's a based on the facts and popular. When it's all said and done,